Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Hubbard and I am a senior at Cornell University studying atmospheric science. So I thought it would be a little fitting that I do my project on the chemistry of the atmosphere. But I want to do it on one part specifically. Before I get into any of the complicated chemistry stuff of the atmosphere, I want to review you guys on the layers of the atmosphere. Remember, the first one's the troposphere, followed by the stratosphere, then the mesosphere, and then the thermosphere. Now, the chemistry of the atmosphere can get really complex, and I just want to focus on the chemistry of the troposphere, specifically dealing with pollutants. Now, the chemical composition of the troposphere is actually pretty interesting. Here we have $1 represented in 3/4, 2 dimes, and 5 pennies. So if we were to say that this represented the gas composition of the atmosphere, the troposphere is composed of 78% of nitrogen. So there we have 3/4 gone and 3 pennies. So here already we have a majority of the atmosphere consumed by nitrogen. Oxygen consumes about 20% of the atmosphere. So you would think that would be the most, but it actually isn't. Already we have 2 more dimes gone, and all we have left are 2 pennies to represent the rest of the gases. 1% would be argon, we have 1 penny gone, and less than 3% would be water vapor. So let's just say for this last penny, that represents the rest. Carbon dioxide, ozone, methane, nitric oxide, carbon monoxide, and CFCs, they all are less than 0.036% of the atmosphere. So in this 1 penny, we have almost over 5 gases and compounds represented. Isn't that crazy? Now, looking specifically at the troposphere, we know that the troposphere holds many of the pollutants that we, as humans, emit into the atmosphere. Now, some of these pollutants are actually natural, coming from volcanoes, animals, and even ecosystems like rainforests or swamps. But more of the harmful, abundant pollutants come from our cars and our factories, with fossil fuels representing 14% of total CO emission. Lucky for us, the atmosphere has a way of cleaning itself, kind of like a self-cleaning litter box. Yes, no, maybe. It occurs through 3 methods: chemical conversion, dry deposition, and wet deposition. Those are the 3. They all work together to make sure that the atmosphere stays as clean of pollutants as it possibly can. More pollutants equals higher temperature changes due to greenhouse gases, and all of that just becomes stored and just turns the earth basically into a big oven. And we don't want that because we don't want to die, so. Thank you so much for watching my presentation today about the chemical composition of the atmosphere as well as pollutants in the troposphere. I really hope you learned something. I know for me it really helps seeing things like the money example that I use. It really puts things into perspective. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again, have a great day.